Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. Today's topic is nusukhajj. The new information is coming about the nusukhajj, so I can discuss it here. Currently, if you're not subscribed my channel, then subscribe my channel for more related nusukhajj videos. So let's go to our topic. I received the email about the nusukhajj in my email address. Today I share with you and I can discuss with the important point of the nusukhajj, how they proceed your application, what main points to keep in mind when you fill out the form. Before I can upload the nusukhajj application form, how to fill it. You can see it in my previous video. In that I explain whole how to fill the nusukhajj application form, how to register and how to sign it and how to create the nusukhajj app. I received this email today. In this they mention auditing process is completed. Before that I filled the application form online. Now they are sorted out the application form and audit the all applications. See, this is the time and date of the email. In this email they are tell me your audit process is completed. Due to you upload the wrong passport picture, so your application is rejected. So if you want your application is accepted, you can upload the right passport picture. You can see it here. What about I tell you, because before that I fill the application form, only teach you how to fill the application form. I don't upload the right document. So now I can upload the right document for see how they can progress the application. If you want to go for the Hajj, so go and apply for the Hajj application. Fill the Hajj application form right now. Then they accept and audit your application and send you the email for the further steps. So many people who can fill the application form, they can receive the auditing process is completed email. Keep an eye on your email address. I show you my nusukhajj application form. So first you can go to the nusukhajj website and then sign in your account. After enter your email address and password, they can send you the OTP code. The OTP code is come on your email address. Here you can see first I can go to the sign in section, then enter my email address. After I enter my email address and password, I will be come back because I don't want to show my email address and password because YouTube not allowed you to show your email address and password to anyone. Now you can see after enter the email address and the password, the verification OTP code is come on your email address. Enter your OTP code here. After enter your OTP code, press the verify. When you press the verify, your account is open. You can see it here. Now you can see my account is open. The message is also appeared here. Passport attachment is not valid. Please attach it again. For further process your application. If you want to delete your application, you also delete your application. Now you can see they can verification your account now and your verification your application is as well. Keep an eye on your account or your email address. I upload my correct documents in few days and upload the video and share with you. You also add your companion with you. Don't need to open a separate account to your companion. You can add your companion in one account. And one thing more I would like to tell you, must follow the instruction when you can upload the passport size photos and when you upload the passport picture, because they require the specific size of picture and size of passport picture. You can see it here down 200 multiplied 200 pixels. After verification they can go on the next step. See in this video they can show the 1 2 3 4 5 6 steps. First step, create an account. Second step, verification your account and data documents. Then opening the reservation. They can select your application and they can give you the package. Your package according to your need. And then you can pay the package. Then after they can process your application and you can get the e-visa. I can also show you here where you can see your application of your companion. Also see the progress of your companion application form, and you also delete it and you also edit it. Now you can see it here, my profile, manage companion, packages, my booking, all option is available here. So go on manage companion option. When you tick the manage companion option, the page is open. Now you can see there is two companion here. One is my husband and one is my son. Also delete it and edit it their files. In my previous nusukhajj application, you can see I teach you how to fill the application form and how to sign in your nusukhajj application and how to create it. You can see in this video their application is awaiting for the valuation. I think they can first check my application, then they can progress the other application. That is only my thinking. Now I can go on my packages. There is no packages available here. Hope so when my application is approved, then the package is available. That video also I can upload when the package is available. How you can select your package and how you can pay it. So currently there is no option available here. All options are currently empty. After your application is approved, then they can give you the package and the package option is available here. The main purpose to make this video to show you if your application is not accepted. Don't worry. Go and edit your application, upload the correct document and then submit again. First go edit your information, then press the edit information. Your application form is open like this. Then edit your application. Edit your name, your picture, your passport picture, whatever the mistake. I think so this time they can do the good work. You can see the delete button. You can amend it. Your current passport file, also amend it your current passport picture. You upload your passport file and passport picture. Size of the file is according to the requirement. Otherwise the picture and the file is not uploaded. After edit your file, you can save it. Then they can again audit your file and profile. Then they approve your application and they email you. So I am coming back and now I can sign out my profile. You can see the right hand side 3 lines there. Then press, you see the Saeeda option, you can press it and then press sign out button. Now the main page of Nusuk Hajj website is open now. If you like my video, please like and subscribe for more informative videos. Take care. Remember in prayers.